بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
It's been more than a year since I cycled, touring hundreds of kilometers. I want to build a cheap, stylish, and desirable road bike.
Chapter 1. Build a road bike. Frame bicycle.
Now start from phase planning. I searched for cheap bicycle frames, adjusted budget, main material alloy, if possible by new. In an online shop search, and I found the frame of a road bike that cost a fortune. To the cheapest, even my budget is not sufficient. What should I do? I switched to look for MTB bikes frame. MTB bikes frame are cheap, but average on sale for 26-inch wheels. Yes, I've made this MTB bike into a road bike. Until then I found the Venzo bike frame. After I buy and get now moment to phase, Venzo bike. The frame I bought 70% paint color was dull, and 25% blistered. I then redesigned this frame bike into a new, and became a 700c road bike version. I want to make more modern decal designs. I like the white color, combination of blue skies. When finished removing the paint, the frame of this alloy bike, I cover with undercoat base paint. After drying the coarse part, I sandpaper, with a 1000 CW fine sandpaper, by way of touch to find the rough part. This prints in the form of stickers. I print with a transparent sticker. I cut these stickers one by one, until they became part. In this section, I want to make a tiger motif, like a tiger in Venzo bike logo. The way overwrap the black paint first. After I paint with a flat black color, this prints the logo of the tiger head. I'm looking for the right position for this tiger head. I will cover this black part with the tiger head sticker piece, so that later, painting this part will not be exposed to paint. Not only that, I also close with duct tape on the headset, to create a black line pattern. Then I started paint with white color. After drying the coarse part I sandpaper, with a 1000 CW fine sandpaper, by way of touch to find the rough part. I took off the covered paint. Release it should slowly, if the release by force or in a hurry, will result in paint so torn. I puree with sandpaper on the rough line, because there are blobs of paint. I prepare an elastic plastic mica. I cut it into a ruler. This is the result of a piece of mica plastic and a permanent marker. I see the results are not good, especially on the irregular line. That's why I use those two tools to create a perfect line. I have painted a fork into two colors. Let's see the results after the paint. I puree with sandpaper on the rough line, because there are blobs of paint. After waiting for the frame, until the paint becomes totally dry, estimated approximately 1 to 2 days, it's time to stick a sticker. Clean it first with alcohol, on the part that will stick out the sticker. Placement process, paste the paper tape, so that sticker does not waver. See how I put stickers on. After all the stickers are attached, replace with clear spray paint. Overwrite again with spray paint clear. After 10 minutes dry. It would be nice, 2 to 4 layers to cover the sticker.